Welcome back. We're going to be talking about inflammation and how it directly affects your cardiovascular systems and your arteries. And inflammation can actually cause damage to those arterial walls. And what I mean by that is you may know that one of the tests that you can get done, which is common, is a C-reactive protein. And what that's looking at is it's looking at inflammation within the body, how inflamed the body is. Now, specifically what we want to look at when we do the Boston Heart Lab testing, we're going to look at your MPO and we're going to look at your LPPLA2, which is going to look to see, do you have a blockage that's forming? Is it shifting? Is it cracking? Okay, because if those numbers are elevated, we know we have a cardiovascular event that is more likely. So knowing those numbers is super important. If you are inflamed, okay, and we have inflammation in the body, especially when it comes to pain and other issues, it's like putting gasoline on a fire, okay? If that pain is gonna go from here to exploding because of the inflammatory markers in the body being inflamed. So really important, that's gonna direct us to the gut and a leaky gut issue and allow us to heal the gut so that way those inflammatory markers will start to come down. So if any of these different topics, whether it's genetics, the lipids, the cholesterols, the inflammatory markers, if any of these ring true to you, you want more information, we'd love to help you out. We want to test to know specifically what works best for your body, and ultimately, can we help you through lifestyle changes so you're not having to rely on a medication for the rest of your life, and worse yet, the side effects of that medication for the rest of your life. So reach out to the office at projectwellnesscompany.com or give us a call at 608-833-9445.